Why online business? Why did I start it? Number one, I had to give up my job because I couldn't do it anymore for some health issues. Number two, I wanted to be one who decides what time I start to work, what time I finish working, and how long I'm gonna be working. Number three, I want to be one who decides how much money I make. Number four, I wanted to be able to work from anywhere, that I can travel freely and I don't have to ask my boss when I can take my next vacation. You got the idea, right? And these are just a few of my whys, and I'm sure you have a lot of reasons why you would like to start your online business, but you are not sure how. Please join our free live webinar on Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you can learn how to start your online business. We have tutorial videos step by step that will teach you how to start, build, promote your online business, how you can work from anywhere, anytime on your phone, and how you can make full-time income working 2-3 hours a day. Please come and webinar and I will send you all the details. Have a great day.